Drop the needle on a fresh piece of vinyl, and you immediately feel that physical connection to the music. There is something about the ritual of it that digital streaming just cannot touch. We live in a world of instant gratification where everything is a click away. Vinyl forces you to slow down and actually listen. However, the world of high-end audio is often a gate-kept nightmare. It is full of counterweights, anti-skate settings, and expensive preamps. These things often look like they belong in a physics laboratory. That is exactly why this specific turntable caught my eye. It tries to bridge a massive gap. It links the dusty, complicated past with our wireless, streamlined present. You pull it out of the box, and the first thing that hits you is the look. It is clean. It is minimalist. It does not feel like a cheap plastic toy you would find at a bargain shop. The manufacturer went for a sturdy design with a solid platter and a real dust cover. That might sound like a small detail, but a lot of budget decks skip the cover entirely. That leaves your records to gather dust and pet hair. Setting it up is a total dream for anyone who is terrified of breaking a delicate needle. The tone arm comes pre-aligned right out of the gates. You do not have to spend your Saturday afternoon fiddling with tiny weights. You will not need to mount a cartridge with tweezers while holding your breath. You just plug it in and start the music. The big headline here is the Bluetooth connectivity. It allows you to beam your records straight to your favorite wireless headphones. You can send the signal to those smart speakers in your kitchen. It sounds like a dream, but we have to talk about the reality of that trade-off. When you convert a purely analog signal into a wireless one, you lose some of that hidden soul. True audio purists will have notes. They will tell you the depth and richness get muted. That digital conversion takes a tiny toll on the music. If you are chasing absolute sonic perfection, a wireless signal will always be a compromise. However, for the casual listener who just wants to hear some classic rock or jazz while they cook dinner, the sound quality is surprisingly solid. The built-in cartridge brings a nice warmth to the music. You get clear audio that feels alive and vibrant. It might not hit those crystal clear highs or bone-shaking lows of a $1,000 setup, but it holds its own beautifully. I did notice that if your house is packed with other wireless gadgets, you might get a tiny bit of interference now and then. It is rare, but it is worth noting. If that bothers you, there is always the option to go old school. Use the wired output for a rock-solid connection that never drops. This deck really sits in that perfect sweet spot. It is for the person who wants the vibe of vinyl without the headache of becoming a part-time sound engineer. It is stylish and easy to handle. It lets you enjoy your collection without a steep learning curve. The price feels justified for the level of polish. You are paying for convenience and the reliability of a major brand. If you value your time and you want a hassle-free entry into the world of records, this is a very strong contender. It is not about being an elitist snob. It is about finally enjoying those records you have been collecting in a way that fits your modern life.